press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Dear students, today we are discussing about the second part of statistics, first PUC. So, in the second part, that is exercise 15.1, exercise 15.1, part 2, the third problem. In the third problem, they have given the mean deviation about the median for the data. So, the mean deviation about median for the data means what you have to do is the given numbers will denote it as xi. Xi, the numbers are like this. 1 is 13, 1 is 13, the third problem, it is 13, 17, 16, 14, 11, 13, 10, 16, 11, 18, 12, 17, like this. So, whenever you come across the word median, first you should arrange in the ascending order. Arranging in the ascending order, first we will count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, totally there are 12 numbers. Since in this problem frequency is not given, we will denote it as 12. So, n is equal to 12. After finding n is equal to 12, we will arrange it in the ascending order. Look at the smallest number. The smallest number here is 10. So, 10 we will write it like this. And next we find 11 two times. So, you write 11, 11. And next look at 12, we find 12 number, so write 12. And next you write 13 is 2 times 13, so 13, 13. And next we find 14, so you write 14. And next we find 16 2 times, so write 16 2 times. And next we find 17 2 times, so write 17 2 times. And next we find 18 one time, so you write 18 one time. Count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So again we find 12 numbers. Median means the middle term. Middle term means it is n divided by 2 is 6. Look at the sixth term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So these two are the sixth term and the seventh term are the middle term. Whenever n is even, we find two middle terms. Means when our 4 members are sitting, 4 students are sitting, middle are the second one and the third one. Similarly, if there are 5 students sitting on the same bench, the third person is the middle person. So if n is odd, you will get single middle term. If n is even, you will get 2 middle terms. So finding middle term here, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, here 13 and 14. So we will write it like this, median, M-E-D-I-A-N. We usually denote it by the capital letter M, like this. So M is equal to 13 plus 14 divided by 2. 13 plus 14 is 27, 27 divided by 2. So 27 divided by 2 is, you will get 13.5 like this. So capital M is 13.5, we call it as the median. Now what you have to do after finding the median, we'll construct the table. So constructing the table, we will have it like this. So this is xi. The numbers are like this. 1 is 10, and next is 11, and next is again 11, and next is 12, and next is 13, and next is again 13, and next is 14, next is 16, and again it is 16, and next is 17, next is 17, and next is 18. So these are xi's. After finding xi, we'll find modulus of xi minus m. So modulus of xi minus m is modulus of, this is 10 minus 13.5. You will get to 3.5. It is always a positive number. Either we call it as absolute value or modulus value. It is always a positive. You subtract with the median. Capital M stands for median. Median is 13.5. So here xi is 10. You subtract 10 minus 13.5, you will get 3.5. Similarly, modulus of 11 minus 13.5, you will get 2.5. Similarly, modulus of 11 minus 13.5, you will get once again 2.5. Again, modulus of 12 minus 13.5, you will get 1.5. Again, modulus of 13 minus 13.5, you will get 0.5. Once again, here you will get 0.5. Here it is modulus of 14 minus 13.5. Again, here also you will get 0.5 because 14 minus 13.5 is 0.5. Similarly, modulus of 16 minus 13.5. So 0.5 you will get 14 and 16 is 2.5. And once again you will get to 2.5 because you find another 16. Here it is 17, so modulus of 17 minus 13.5, you will get 0.5, 14, 15, 16, 17 is 3.5. And once again you will get 3.5. And here it is 18 minus 13.5, you will get 4.5 like this. You will get 4.5. So this is how we will find the absolute value of xi minus m. Xi means the given numbers are xi's and m stands for median. We will subtract one from the another and we will find it like this. Next, we will add the numbers. Adding the numbers, you just go on adding here. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15, 15 plus 2 is 17, 17 plus 2 is 19, 19 plus 3 is 22. 22, this becomes 23, this becomes 24, this is 25, this is 26, this is 27 and this is 28. So, the addition of all these numbers form 28, we call it as summation or sigma modulus of xi minus m. So modulus of sigma xi minus m is 28 like this. So finding the mean deviation about median, the formula is sigma summation modulus of xi minus m divided by small n like this. So sigma summation xi minus m, you find 28 in the numerator and you find n, that is 12, in the denominator. So 28 divided by 12, you will get 2.33 like this. This is MD. In short, we will write MD of M like this. So MD of M means it is mean deviation about the median is 2.33 like this. So you can use the simple calculators. Simple calculators are like this. That is, you find numbers. No scientific calculator should be used in theory examinations. So simple calculators, either you can have the small one or you should have only the numbers, that's all. No scientific sine, cos, like that, tan, and like that. We call it as scientific calculators. Scientific calculators are not allowed. Only simple calculators allowed. You can add, subtract, and divisions can be made in your calculators very easily. So this is how we'll complete the problem related to median. Next, we'll go to the same type of problem, that is the fourth problem. Fourth problem is like this: find the mean deviation about median. The fourth problem, it is 36, 72, 46, 42, 60, 45, 53, 46, 51, 49, like this. Problems are very simple. Since the problem is related to median, first we should arrange the given numbers in the ascending order, means smaller to bigger. Look at the smallest number. The smallest number here we find is 42. So we'll write 42. 42 is the first number. After 42, we find 45. So this is 45. We find 2 times 46. So it is 46. 46. You find 36, still more smaller number. So we'll write 36 at the beginning. And next we find 49. So it is 49, 49. And next we find 51, and next is 53, 51 and 53. And next we find 60, so write 60, and next we find 72, we'll write 72, like this. Count the numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So n is equal to 10, small letter n. In this problem, frequency is not given. For next coming up problems, we find the frequencies. So addition of all frequencies, we call it as sigma fi. We usually denote it by capital N. Here we denote it by small n. So once again, you count these numbers, the written numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ 10 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 9 ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನಾವು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಗುಡ್. Whenever n is 10, you divide n, half of 10 is 5, means the middle term or fifth term and the sixth term. Fifth term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth term is this one, 46 and 49. So median, we'll calculate it like this: median, M-E-D-I-A-N. Median is denoted by capital M. That is, the fifth term is 46 plus 49 divided by 2, like this. So it is 46 plus 49 divided by 2 is 47.5. 47.5 is our answer. Means we call it as a median. Now we will denote it as xi. Xi is like this. Xi, the given numbers, that is 36, another is 42, and next is 45, and next is 46, and other one is 46, and next is 49, and next is 51, and next is 53, next is 60, and other is 72, like this. These are called xi's, means the given numbers, we denote them as xi. Now we will calculate this modulus of xi minus m. We will calculate xi minus m like this. Xi minus m means this is modulus of, you will get 36 minus 47.5, m is 47.5. So it is 36 minus 47.5, you will get 36 minus 47.5 is equal to 11.5. So this is 11.5. Next, 42 minus 47.5. So this is 47.5 minus 42 is equal to 5.5. Since it is an absolute value, you don't get negative. Either you can subtract the bigger number by the smaller number or the smaller number by the bigger number, because we write only positive values. And next is 45 minus 47.5. You will get 0.5, 47.5 minus 45, you will get 2.5. Next is 46 minus 47.5, you will get 1.5. Similarly, 46 minus 47.5, once again you will get 1.5. Next is 49 minus 47.5, you will get 0.5, you will get 48, and 1, that is 1.5. Next, 51 minus 47.5 is 0.5, you will get 48, 48, 49, 50, 51, you will get 3.5. You will get 3.5. 51 minus 47.5 is equal to 3.5. And next it is modulus of 53 minus 47.5. It is 53 minus 47.5 is equal to 5.5. And next is 60 minus 47.5. Next is 60 minus 47.5, which is equal to 12.5. Next is 72 minus 47.5. Next is 72 minus 47.5, which is equal to 24.5, like this. So subtraction is done like this. Now you go on adding. Adding means you will get the first number, you will get 24.5, or you can add very simple like this. You can add 24 plus 12 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 7 plus 11. You will get 65. 65, this is 66, this is 67, this is 68, this is 69, and this is 70. So addition of all these numbers, you will get 70. We will denote it as modulus of xi minus m, sigma, summation xi minus m, you will get 70. Addition of all these numbers, you will get 70. So we call it this as a mean deviation about median. Median we denote it by this capital letter M. So the formula is given by sigma summation modulus of xi minus m divided by small letter n. So this is numerator, you will get 70 divided by 10. 70 divided by 10 means 1 0 get cancelled, or 10 ones are 10 sevens are get cancelled. MD of m is equal to 7. So MD of m means mean deviation about median is 7. So this is how you should work out the problems. This is the fourth problem. Next, the fifth problem. Fifth problem, mean deviation about mean. So we'll construct the table. The table is like this. The first one we denote it as xi. We denote it as xi. Xi's are like this. One is 5, and next is 10, and next is 15, and next is 20, and next is 25. This is xi. And next they have given frequency. These are all frequency problems, so we denote this frequency as fi. Fi, they have given the first number as 7, and 4, and next is 6, and next is 3, and next is 5, like this. Now, we will add all the sigma fi. We call this as sigma fi. This is 10, this is 10, 20, 20 plus 5 is 25, so this is 25. So this sigma fi, we call it as capital N. So capital N is equal to sigma fi, which is equal to 25. This is the first calculation. After calculating sigma fi, we will multiply this one. This is xi into fi. Xi into fi means you should multiply these two numbers. 5 into 7 is 35. 10 into 4 you will get 40. 15 into 6 you will get 90. And 20 into 3 you will get 60. 25 into 5 you will get 125, like this. So this is how we'll multiply these two. This we call it as xi into fi. So xi into fi means multiply both the numbers. Now add 5 plus 5, you will get 10, 1 carry, and this is 10 plus 8 is 18, 18, 22, 25. 25 means 2 carry, 2 plus 1 you will get 3. This is sigma summation xi into fi, you will get 350. Summation xi into fi is 350. Now calculating the mean, mean is denoted by x bar given by the formula summation xi into fi divided by capital N. Here capital N stands for sigma fi, it is 25. So it is 350 divided by 25, you will get 14, that is 350 divided by 25. So x bar is equal to 14, means mean is 14. So this is how we will calculate mean. Mean is given by the formula summation xi minus xi into fi divided by capital N. Summation xi fi means this one, that is 350, that is the addition of all xi fi's. We call it as sigma xi fi 350 and sigma fi is capital N is 25. You divide, you will get mean. Mean is denoted by x bar like this. Now we will calculate modulus of xi minus x bar, absolute value. Xi minus x bar modulus means this is 5, 5 minus 14, you will get 9. Next 10 minus 14, you will get 4. 15 minus 14, you will get 1. 20 minus 14, you will get 6. 25 minus 14, you will get 11. So this is how we will find modulus of xi minus x bar. Xi number idkondu, x bar idkondu, minus ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. xi ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, x bar ಅಂದರೆ 14 ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 5 minus 14 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ 10 minus 14 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. The next table is fi into modulus of xi minus x bar, means this column is modulus of xi minus x bar. You should multiply this with frequency. ಈ frequency ಜೊತೆ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ 9 into 7, that is you will get 63. 4 into 4, you will get 16. 6 into 1, you will get 6. 3 into 6, you will get 18. 11 into 5, you will get 55. Add all these, addition we call it as sigma summation fi into modulus of xi minus x bar ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. You add all this, you will get 158. Addition of all this ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ you will get 158. So mean deviation, that is MD of x bar, means mean deviation about mean, we denote it by MD of x bar given by the formula summation sigma fi into modulus of xi minus x bar divided by capital N. Capital N stands for sigma fi, that is 25. Substitute, this is equal to 158 divided by this is 25. This is 158 in the numerator and 25 in the denominator. So if you calculate by using the calculator, you will get 6.32. You will get 6.32. This is MD of x bar. So MD of x bar is equal to 6.32. So this is the problem, how to find the mean deviation about mean ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಈ ಟೈಪಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Sixth problem, exercise 15.1. The sixth problem, that is, one is xi, we denote it as xi, and next is fi. The numbers given are like this, one is 10 and other is 30, and next is 50, next is 70 and another is 90. And fi, they have given it as 4, and this is 24, next is 28, and next is 16, and next is 8. And next is 8, like this. So this is capital N, or we call it as sigma fi. Summation fi means addition of all these, add, you will get 80 as your addition number. After finding xi fi, we will multiply these two. Multiplication we denote it as xi into fi, finding mean. To find mean, the first step is we should multiply this one, xi into fi. So xi into fi, you will get 10 into 4, you will get 40, like this. 4 3s are 12, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6, 1 7, so and this is 0, so if you multiply this one, you will get 720. Next you will get 1400, multiply these two. After that you will get 1120, multiply these two, 70 into 16, you will get 1120. And here you will get 8 into 9, you will get 72, and 1 0, if you multiply you will get 720, like this. So summation, that is sigma summation xi into fi, means addition of all these, you add, if you add you will get 4000. So addition of all these xi, fi's, you will get 4000. Now find mean. Finding mean denoted as x bar, given by the formula sigma summation xi fi divided by capital N. Xi fi means this is 4000 divided by 80. So 0 0 get cancelled, 8 1s are, 8 5s are get cancelled, that is you will get 50. So x bar is equal to 50. X bar stands for mean. X bar stands for mean, so mean is 50. After finding x bar, we will calculate modulus of xi minus x bar. We will calculate xi minus x bar like this. Xi minus x bar means you will get 10 minus 50. 10 minus 50, you will get 40, and next 30 minus 50, you will get 20, 50 minus 50, you will get 0, 70 minus 50, you will get 20, and 90 minus 50, you will get 40. So you subtract. This is xi, x bar is 50, you subtract 10 and 50, 30 and 50, 50 and 50, and you write all these numbers, we call it as modulus of xi minus x bar. Now multiply this column with frequency, fi, we call this as fi into modulus of xi minus x bar. Just multiply, that's all. Frequency jate, ಇಲ್ಲಿ xi minus x bar ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So 4 into 4 is 16, so 160. Next, 4 twos are 8 and 2 twos are 4 and another 0, you will get 480. 0 multiplied by 28, you will get 0. 16 twos are 32, you will get 32, another 0, that is you will get 320. 8 fours are 32, another 0, you will get 32 with 0. So addition, we call it as sigma fi into modulus of xi minus x bar. So addition of all this. Addition of all this, you will get 1280. Add all the numbers. If you add, you will get 1280. Now find the mean deviation. So mean deviation, we denote it as MD of x bar. MD of x bar given by the formula summation fi into modulus of xi minus x bar divided by capital N. So this is 1280 divided by capital N is 80, like this. So this is 10 and 0 get cancelled. You will get MD of x bar, MD of x bar, which is equal to 16. You will get 16, 48. You will get 16 8s are 128. So final answer, mean deviation, which stands for MD of x bar, which is equal to 16. So this is how you should calculate, and you should find very easier problem. Usually such type of problem arises for your annual examination. Problems are very simple. So you should have the column using your pencil and pen. Take the calculator and by using the calculations very easily. Addition, multiplications are very simple. So problem is related to mean deviation, about mean. So in part 1, we have studied what is range. What is range? Range is the greatest number minus the smallest number. So what you have to do is, whenever two numbers are given means, suppose the numbers are 50 and 40. Find the range means you should subtract the bigger number and the smaller number. 50 minus 40, you will get 10. So finding range like this. So range formula is the bigger number minus the least number or the smallest number, is we call it as range. Coming to mean, what is mean? You find only 10 and 22 numbers. Find the mean. Find the mean means you should add. We usually denote mean as x bar. So two numbers, it is 10 plus 20 divided by 2. 10 plus 20 means it is 30 divided by 2. That is x bar is equal to 15. We call it as mean whenever two numbers are given. Suppose three numbers are given. What are those three numbers? For an example, suppose three numbers are, one is 6, another one is 12, and next is 15, like this. So finding mean, it is 6 plus 12 plus 15 divided by 3. Why it is divided by 3? Because we find three numbers. Since you find three numbers, we will divide it by 3 like this. 12 plus 15 is 27. 27 plus 6, you will get 33. It is 33 divided by 3. 3 one time get cancelled. This is, you will get 11. So this is how we will find mean whenever three numbers are given. Suppose 4 numbers or 5 numbers are given. 5 numbers means it may be 10, it may be 15, it may be 25, it may be 30, like this. Suppose, find the mean of 10, 15, 25, 30 and 50, like this. 5 numbers are given. Finding mean, we denote it as x bar. It is 10 plus 15 plus 25 plus 30 plus 50 divided by 5. Why it is 5? It is 5 just because we find 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since you find 5 numbers, you divide it by 5, very simple. Now add these numbers. This is 25 plus 15, you will get 30, 40. 40 plus 10, you will get 50. 50 plus 50 is 100. 100 plus 30, you will get 130. It is 130 divided by 5, like this. 130 divided by 5 means this is 5 2s are 10 and 5 6 are 30. You will get 26. So x bar, we call it as mean. Mean is 26. Usually x bar we denote it as mean. Our mean is represented by x bar, you will get 26. So whenever you come across the problems related to mean, you add all the numbers and you divide it by, count the numbers and you divide it by the counting numbers, you will get the mean x bar. And median, so whenever you come across the word median, you think or remember median means it is the middle term. So arrange from ascending order and find the middle terms. So whenever you find 3 numbers, example, 3 numbers, that is 5, 7, 9, find the median, M-E-D-I-A-N, median. So look at only 3 numbers, the middle one is 7, so M is equal to 7, like this. Suppose you find 4 numbers. 4 numbers means you may have 7, 9, 11 and 13, like this. Finding median, first you look at the given problem. Is this arranged properly or not? It is arranged. It is in the ascending order because the smallest number is 7 and later 9 and later is 11 and the biggest number is 13. Since you find 4 numbers, you find 2 middle terms like this. One is 9 and other is 11. So whenever you find such cases, median is represented by capital M. You add 9 plus 11 divided by 2. 9 plus 11 is 20. It is 20 divided by 2. So here median, capital M, is 10. Like this. Capital M is 10. So median stands for or represented by capital M. So 10 is the median. Then you can proceed the problem. So you recall the revisions, problem related to range and this one mean as well as median. So today in part 2 we have discussed about the mean deviation, about the mean MD of x bar, and also problems, that is mean deviation, about median when our frequency is not given. We shall discuss these problems. Problems are very simple. Today's problems are very important in the sake of your annual examinations. It most likely problems are very simple problems. You work it out. Okay, all the best.